Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And yesterday, of course, we had a rollout of the updates for the bug fixes, which is also called the C updates, as Microsoft divides the month into 4 weeks, A, B, C, and D. So these bug fixing updates rolled out for Windows 10 yesterday. One of the major issues that I've noticed, I was looking at the list and I was looking actually at what people are complaining about. And of course, the updates are optional. So if you go to your Windows settings in Windows 10, go into Update and Security. If you haven't installed them, you'll see that in the panel here for Windows Update, it's going to tell you that there's a optional update available. Now, the update that was installed yesterday, that I installed because I always want to make sure that everything works fine, is of course the update KB 501.1543 right here that I installed March 22nd. One of the major things that it fixes that a lot of people seem to have had some problems with, if you have Bluetooth connectivity and you try to connect with Bluetooth, some people, and a fair amount of people actually, were complaining of a IRQ not less or equal stop code with a blue screen of death. So it seems that a lot of people just stopped using Bluetooth. And this is a problem that had appeared with an update in January. Not everybody is affected, but those that are pretty much unable to use Bluetooth, or if they use it, it can actually at any time crash. Well, this cumulative update that we got yesterday has actually fixed this and has made this a problem that is now a fixed issue. So that means if you had that Bluetooth problem with your computer, I didn't because I do use Bluetooth on this machine and never did crash, but possibly depending on the hardware that's used or the way you use it, maybe. Probably that's one of the reasons. And, that's the complex thing of Windows. It's not everybody's affected because it depends on a host of different things that have to be together for that to be a problem. But anyways, if you did have the blue screens trying to connect Bluetooth or when you were using Bluetooth, you probably will have it fixed with this update that was released yesterday. So install it if you have that problem. As for the rest, like I say, it's an optional update, but optional is very is like optional for a few weeks because every time a Patch Tuesday security update installs, well, that update also installs. So it's optional for now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.